Good morning everybody, welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. So last video sin ax, cos ax, particular integral problems, and then some more problems are there, same model here. So d square minus 4d plus 3 into y equals to sin 3x into cos 2x. So our particular integral problems under addition only. Here the multiplication is there and only one condition is there. Observe clarity. Sin ax ORR cos ax. Sin ax and cos ax కాదండి ORR and so any one only we taken. So here under 2r under multiplication is there. Now we can simplify the terms. How to simplify means we using the sum formula and simplify that term or particular integral. So anyway here the first of all we find out that what we have to do, we have to finding the complementary solution yc. Now we go for the auxiliary equation, that is an f of m equals to 0. In terms of n d square we substitute an m square minus 4m plus 3 equals to 0. So we find out the roots. How to find out root? And we multiply 3m square, add and subtract, we get 4m, that the 3m minus m. So we multiply just 3m వస్తుంది, minus 3m minus m becomes minus 4m. Okay, after that in these two terms we common m in common this m into m square, m into 3m 3m, m into 3 3m. After in these two terms we common minus 1 into m minus m, minus into minus plus and 1 into 3 3. It becomes the m minus 3 and m minus 3 is the one of the factor, m minus 1 is the one of the factor. We find in the roots m equals to 1 comma 3. So m equals to 1 comma 3, these two are the different roots or distinctive roots. So that's why the distinctive roots are the formula yc equals to c1 e power x plus c2 e power bx. Ax bx is the a value is an 1, b value is an 3, 1 into x, 3 into x. So this is our complementary solution. After we finding the particular integral, in that particular integral that values are sin ax cos ax, only one single term form kavali. So that's why we multiply the particular integral 1 by f of d into q kada. So 1 by f of d into q, we multiply 2 and divided 2. We multiply 2 and divided 2. So that 1 by 2 goes to outside. This is in the form of 2 sin a cos b, which is in the form of 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b formula, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 sin a cos b formula is becomes sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a 3x, b 2x, 3x plus 2x, 3x minus 2x, 3x plus 2x fine 5x. It becomes a sin x. Observe clarity, which is a single term, which is also single term. It has two particular integrals and not an multiplication, which is a single formation is there. So that's it. So anyway here now we go for the process. What we have to do, that the particular integral is sin ax, we do from d square place we substitute minus a square. So in the what is the d square value is there, what is an a value 5 square minus 25, we substitute in the d square place. This is the d square place minus 25 minus 4d plus 3. After here the a value is an 1 is substitute in the d square place, that becomes d square equals to minus 1 whole square kada, it becomes minus 1 plus minus 4d plus 3. After simplify, so just we check this one. This is our value, we substitute in the d square place minus a square. In the a square 5 square, in the a square 1 square, 5 square and minus 25, 1 square and minus 1. Okay, after now we go for the simplification. It's observe minus 4d minus 25 plus 3, minus 25 plus 3 value is 22. Okay, minus 22. So we common in these two terms 2, minus 1 by 2 common తీసుకుంటే in these two terms 22 becomes 2 common తీస్తే అంటే 2 డివైడెడ్ చేసుకుంటే 11, 4 నుంచి 2 కామన్ తీస్తే 2, 11 plus 2d minus is also goes to that side, and this -1 plus 3 plus 2, 2 minus 4d, 2 common this 1 minus 2d. After this process we substitute d square plus minus a square. After we go for the rationalizing factor. చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసాం, చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. We substitute the rationalizing factor in the lower part. Lower part is 11 plus 2d. We substitute in the rationalizing factor. What is the rationalizing factor in that term? Okay, the rationalizing factor 11 plus 2d rationalizing factor is 11 minus 2d. Okay, here 1 minus 2d rationalizing factor is 1 plus 2d. Okay, సో ఇక్కడ మనకు క్లారిటీగా మల్టిప్లై చేయలేదు, మీరు చేసుకోండి. సో 11 మైనస్ 2d డివైడెడ్ బై 11 మైనస్ 2d మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ 1 ప్లస్ 2d బై 1 ప్లస్ 2d we మల్టిప్లై. ఓకే, సో 1 మైనస్ 2d 1 ప్లస్ 2d లోయర్ టర్మ్ a మైనస్ b ఇంటూ a ప్లస్ b, a స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ b స్క్వేర్, a స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 స్క్వేర్, b స్క్వేర్ అంటే 2d, హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4d స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ రాస్తారండి, ఈ టర్మ్ ఇక్కడ రాసాం. సో అండ్ అబౌవ్ టర్మ్ 1 ప్లస్ 2d. ఓకే, 1 ప్లస్ 2d ఇంటూ సైన్ ఎక్స్. After in this term lo a minus b into a plus b, 11 square 121, 2d whole square 4d square, 11 minus 2d. సో ఈ టర్మ్ అనేది ఇక్కడ రాశారు, ఈ టర్మ్ అనేది ఇక్కడ రాసాం. ఆఫ్టర్ సింప్లిఫై. సో అగైన్ ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు మీరు d స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ a స్క్వేర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయలేదని డౌట్ వస్తుందండి. సో ఇన్ దీస్ టర్మ్ ఇప్పుడు d స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ అంటే వాట్ వి హౌ టు డూ sin ax cos ax మీన్స్ వి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇన్ ద d స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ a స్క్వేర్. But it is not in d, it is not in d square, it is only d. That's why we apply rationalizing factor, we get a d square value. Okay? Rationalizing factor apply cheste rationalizing factor we apply, we get that d square value. Now we substitute d square equals to minus a square. Minus a square and minus 1 square, minus 1 square and it becomes minus 1. 1 minus 4 into minus 1. Okay, here 5 square, 5 square and minus 25. We substituted minus 25. After and the above term observe cheyandi, 1 into sin x, 2 into sin x, 2 is the constant, d into sin x, d is nothing but a differentiation of sin x and cos x. After 11 into sin x, 11 sin 5x and 11 into sin 5x and 11 sin 5x, 2 is the constant. Okay, differentiation of sin 5x. సో సైన్ ఏఎక్స్ మోడల్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి సైన్ ఏఎక్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఏ సైన్ ఏఎక్స్ కదా. ఇంత ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది 5 కాస్ 5x, సైన్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ కాస్ కాబట్టి 5, ఆల్రెడీ ఒక 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 5 into 2 10. దెన్ సింప్లిఫై లోయర్ పార్ట్, జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ సింప్లిఫికేషన్. This is our process to finding the particular integral, total process. First we substitute d square equals to minus a square value. After first substitution the term becomes a d formation is there, so there is no d, that's why we applying the rationalizing factor. In the term is in below plus is there, we get minus, minus is there, we taken as in plus. To simplify rationalizing factor, the term becomes a d square place and substitute d square place, and the upper part becomes 11 plus terms, some terms are there, differentiation term is there, we multiply the term, differentiate and simplify. This is our process to find out the particular integral. And the one more problem is there here, just observe, d square y by dx square plus 4 into y equals to some value is there. Just check this one, the given equation is this one. Now we go for the process of an particular, first we finding the complementary solution yc, d square y by dx square plus 4 into y, it becomes d square plus 4y. Okay, after that d square plus 4 into y and not 4y, d square plus 4 into y total. Okay, we go for the auxiliary solution, m square plus 1 equals to 0, then m square equals to plus 4 goes to that side minus 4, minus 4 we written as I square into 2 square, 4 square we 4 we written as 2 square, minus we written as an I square. So that's why m equals to plus or minus 2i, and our complementary solution a plus or minus ib formation. There is no real part, it has only imaginary part, that's why c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x is our only complementary solution. And now we for the particular integral. So in that particular integral, just check this one, 4 parts are there, 3 parts are there. So first part is an e power x part, second sin cos terms. Okay, we have to find out the terms. First e power term completed, and sin ax cos ax. Okay, what we have to do e power ax ante in the place of d we substitute a value. Sin ax cos ax model we substitute d square equals to minus a square. Okay, so here e power 1x and there is no x, it's we taken as an 1. In the d place we substitute 1 square plus 1 square plus 4 and not y లేదు ఇక్కడ. So 1 square plus 4 and it becomes 5. Okay, d place లో 5 completed. After in the sin ax cos ax, in the sin 2x is there, sin 2x substitute 2 square అంటే it becomes 4 కదా, d square 2 square becomes 4 కదా, minus 4 అవుతుంది, minus 4 plus 4 it becomes 0. సో 0 వస్తుందంటే we use the formula is there, 1 by d square plus a square into sin ax formula is there. The formula is minus x by 2a into cos 2x. The formula same which has also formula substitution, then simplify. Same has below problem also. D place minus a and e power ax terms model is there, we substitute d equals to a value. Cos ax sin ax model is there, we substitute d square equals to minus a square. Just check this one, minus 3 square, it's 9 plus 16 25. This is also same formula, 4 square 16 we written as an 4 square, d square plus 4 square and d square plus a square into cos ax formula, direct formula x by 2a into sin ax, then simplify, and which is also same model, just say. So these are the sin ax cos ax particular integral model problems completed. We starts the next video, will next method third we will continue in the third method in the next video. Thank you.